Here's how to download Pinterest videos without watermark. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can download Pinterest videos without any watermarks. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. This method is going to be for both iPhone and Android devices. So yeah, the steps are very simple. What you need to do is just go ahead and open up Pinterest first and find the video that you want to download. Just gonna go ahead and open up Pinterest over here. And here, as you can see, I already have videos over here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and choose a different one, like winter. And yeah, this video looks very cool, so I'm just gonna copy its link. So the copy link is very easy. Just gotta go ahead and press on these three dots right over here, and you'll see the option of copy link. Just go ahead and press copy link, and here you are. Now you just need to go ahead and open up your web browser. You could use literally any web browser you would like to. I'm using Google Chrome for this video. You could use any other, you could use Safari as well, but yeah, go to Google Chrome. And what you need to do is just simply type in Pinterest video downloader. Once you do that, just go ahead and open up Pinterest video downloader right over here. It will be on the top. Just go ahead and press on that. And right over here, you just simply need to go ahead and paste the link and press download. And here, as you can see, it's working on the URL, so you just gotta wait for a bit. Don't close the page on the process. And here you are. Just press on download video, and yeah, let this video go till the end. And yeah, just skip the ad again. Sometimes you just gotta go ahead just like that, and paste the link again, press on download again, and press on force video download this time. And here, as you can see, you just gotta go ahead and press on files and open in downloads. And here's the video. So what you need to do is just go ahead and do this, and now you just need to copy and paste, and you can just simply move it to anywhere you would like to. And yeah, here, as you can see, this is exactly the final product of your video and inside your phone without any watermarks. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can download Pinterest videos without any watermarks. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.